Today on Lone Star Grillz, we're taking a backyard classic and giving it a serious upgrade. These little bites of smoky, caramelized goodness are easy to make, packed with flavor, and perfect for any cookout or game day snack. This is Hot Dog Burnt Ends. For this recipe, you'll need about 2 pounds of your favorite hot dog. We're using a good quality, all-beef hot dog today. Give those a quick shot of some yellow mustard. Now for a generous coating of our LSG Texas Bold. This really cranks up those sweet and savory barbecue flavors. Give these a good mix to get them coated up nicely. And that's all for the prep. Now let's get outside and fire up the pit. We'll be doing today's cook on our Lone Star Grillz pellet smoker, the cooker that offers offset quality results with the convenience of a pellet smoker. Preheat your smoker to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Once fully preheated, get the hot dogs on, close the lid, and begin cooking. We want to allow them about 1 hour to soak up some beautiful smoke and develop some great texture on the outside. An hour later, cut each hot dog into 4 sections and get them into a foil pan. Add 1 small sliced onion for flavor, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce, and a few drops of your favorite hot sauce. Top it off with a little bit more Texas Bold, give it a quick mix, and get it back on the smoker. We'll now increase our cook temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and give it 1 more hour to caramelize. Then you can remove it from the smoker and serve it up to your hungry guests. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching, and if you'd like information on any of our products, give us a call or check out our links below. And we'll see you on the next one.